Okay, can you hear the pitch changing a bit?
A little, yeah.
Yeah, we all heard the pitch change a little bit. So start much quieter. When
Uh-huh.
you hear the pitch changing, 10 times the volume.
Right, okay.
Okay, now try the same thing but much slower. So instead of E-yaw, try E
Okay.
with lots of movement of the jaw. And louder. Did I mention louder?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Okay, shove it in a bit deeper. Okay, so it is moving a little bit. So
Yeah.
let's try something different. So if E-yaw doesn't work, try something different. Try toy, 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 toy. See what happens then.
Right.
Much louder, much louder.
It's going a little bit, but not very
You
good.
got 16 people willing you on here. The power, the force of the 16 people.
I'm waiting to
And then
collapse. That's the trouble.
try different things with the tongue. So try the tongue is up a bit higher or a bit lower or a bit flatter or a bit more. There. Now, did you hear at the beginning of that? It
Yeah,
had a sort of deeper.
yeah.
So do that again, whatever that was. You do this for about an hour every day until you get
Yeah,
it.
right. Yeah, well,
Do
it's
you
working
have
a
any
little
other?
bit.
Do you have any other key harmonicas?
Yeah, I've got quite a few.
Excellent. So here's what you do. This is for everybody if you want to try this anytime. If you line them up with the lower ones on the left, like the A's and G's down at the left hand side, and the C in the middle, and the D and the E and the F on the right hand side, see if you can bend hole one on all of them. So if you can do it on a C, move down and down and down. Here's on a G. I find that a lot harder. So you gradually find what's more difficult and what's easier. So you gradually teach yourself. You learn. Your muscles learn how to do it. So do hole one on all of them. If you got 2 or 3 or 5 or 12 harmonicas, line them all up. Do hole one on all of them, and spend some time on it. Just spend an hour on just nothing but that, and you can tape off hole 2, 2, 3, 4, so you can shove it in deep, and just work on that. And that will hole one you can do in some harmonicas, right? Is that true?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll come back to you in a sec, Alex. And then when you spent maybe a week on that for an hour a day, that's going to start working.
right.
Then you get hole 4, tape them all off. Hole 4 is exposed. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 is blocked. Then you do that on all those harmonicas again, from the lowest ones to the highest ones. You start in the middle, you go up higher, see what works. You go down lower, see what works. It will all begin to gradually work. Then you do hole 6, tape it off, and do hole 6 on all of them. This is a fairly interesting process, and it's not an instant thing, and you're not alone with this. Does anybody else have trouble with bending? Hands up, please, if you have trouble with note bending. Anybody else? So Rupert, you're the only one who's got no problem. Oh, your hand.
Because I don't know how to bend. I'm not there yet.
Beautiful answer. So you can assume his hand's up as well. He's got trouble with note bending. He doesn't even know what it is. That's a great deal of trouble. All right, cool. So, Neil, this is normal.
Right, okay.
There's people who play the harmonica who never bent any notes at all and they sound great. So you don't need to. You don't absolutely need to.
No, I'm getting a bit obsessed about it now, to be
Oh,
honest.
well, give it a go then.
Yeah,
Give it a go. Yep.
okay.
There's no straight answer to that. I think I've given you all I can. But take those 3 courses as well that I mentioned.
Right. I'll go and do that.
All right. Last question. We're on the top of the hour. Alex,